Hello friends! Today I want to share with you a recipe that will help you reduce your cleaning time, and I'll tell you why you need to add glycerin to soap. We will need 60 to 70 grams of absolutely any soap. I used baby soap. Now you need to grate the soap. If your grater has multiple sides, use the middle one. The soap effectively removes grease and dirt and also has antibacterial properties. This is how many soap shavings I got. I pour it into a saucepan. Next, add floor cleaner to the soap shavings. I measure out 200 milliliters. It has a pleasant scent and cleans away stubborn and old stains well. Place the mixture in a saucepan over low heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Stir constantly to prevent burning. The soap will gradually begin to dissolve, the mixture will become airy and almost homogeneous. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and leave the mixture on the stove. While the mixture is cooling, prepare a mold for it. You'll need a shallow container and a small piece of parchment paper. To make lining the mold easier, crumple the parchment with your hands. It took me literally 2 minutes to line the mold. The mixture isn't as hot anymore. Now I need to add the glycerin. It will help maintain its elasticity and make it last longer. 1 teaspoon will be enough. I also recommend adding 15 drops of tea tree essential oil to the mixture. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties and is excellent for disinfection. Now mix everything well. Place the mixture into the prepared mold. Spoon the mixture evenly into the mold and let it set. This will take 1 to 2 hours. It's been 2 hours for me. I cut the hardened mess into strips. The strips are flexible, soapy to the touch, and smell very pleasant. For storage, place them in a plastic container with a lid. The toilet very quickly loses its appearance, therefore you can use these strips to keep your toilet clean between cleanings. Clean the toilet and wipe dry a small area inside the bowl. Take one strip and stick it to the area. You can also use a hanging plastic block. Make balls to size or arrange them into appropriately shaped rectangles. The material is very elastic and soft, so that can be done easily. And secure the block inside the toilet. With each flush, soapy water will clean and disinfect the toilet and prevent plaque buildup. I had to switch sides because the plate needs to be placed where the water will flow when flushing, so pay attention to that. I made a lot of these cleaning strips, and this amount will last me at least 6 months. Try this recipe and share your tips for keeping your toilet clean in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, see you in more videos.